Hello all, in this video we will see how to build the code and then flash the code to your board from the Simplicity Studio using one of the tools from the Silicon Labs, and this particular tool is inbuilt into the Simplicity Studio itself. Okay, so now let us jump into it. First thing, when we write a project, we build the project, right? So once it builds successfully, the output file is generated, and these output files are part of the GNU ARM folder, which is the default folder created when you create the project. And when you see this, you can see there are output files generated, and the .hex file is of our interest now. And in case if you want to know where is this particular folder in your PC, right click on the project, and down there you will have something called browse files here. When you click on browse files, you will see that it opens the exact folder, project folder, and inside that you can see the files. Okay, so now these are the files which are required, and especially we want .hex. Now let us see how to dump this particular code. So click on tools here, and you will see something called commander option. This is the Simplicity Commander tool from the Silicon Labs, and this is integrated into the Simplicity Studio itself. And then now here click on select kit, and you will see the you can select the board number which is there, and then you can see that your board details get populated, and the board part number, its revision serial number, and the board name, everything gets populated. And debug mode, you keep it to MCU, need not change it. And here and further, when you click on device info, you can see your entire device details. What is our interest now is checking the flash section here and dumping the code, and this is the path which is already there here. So browse to the path which you have seen by clicking on browse, and just click on flash. Okay, once you click on flash, at the bottom, which you might not be seeing here, it says flashing completed successfully. Okay, so let us just show that in case if we are able to. Okay, so we are not able to see that. So in the bottom log window of the Simplicity Commander, you must see flashing completed successfully. So that means the code is dumped. Okay, two ways we do, right? One is downloading the output file, or use the debug option and run the code in the Simplicity Studio itself to see if the code is working or not.